I think about a 6-month-old golden doodle. A golden doodle. So this big and no cam. What? You know where she's at today? Offshore fishing in the Gulf of Mexico. It is snapper season. Hopefully, we'll be bringing you a snapper video soon. A catch, cook, or maybe just a hook 'em and cook 'em video. But today, we at the Mississippi Ponderosa. You know what I got going on? We're about to do a little electrical work in our bedroom. Well, what's gonna be the bedroom. I'm gonna bring y'all along for that little ride. And then tomorrow, Cam will be back. We'll find out how her fishing trip went. And we're gonna take a little ride, a little slow ride around the property, show you what's going on. We got some stuff growing. Are we homesteading? No. Look, that's hard. That's hard work. And personally, I got props for the people that really do it. I guarantee you, they work. They doing some hard work. And over here in Mississippi, it seems like all we do is come out here and cut the grass. Because grass grows quick in South Mississippi. Really quick. My brother's out there cutting the grass right now. By the time you finish cutting it, it's time, I don't know, to cut it again. I'm going to show y'all that in a second. But then we're going to go do a little electrical work. So come take that walk with me. So this here is going to be my bedroom. That's where the air conditioner's going to go. We got an outlet and a light switch there. We're going to have a ceiling fan here. We're going to have a TV here. And another outlet right here. So I'm not what you would call an electrician by any means. I don't know what I'm doing. Got these. So I know red is black. All right, I've been in the automotive business my whole life. And red is normally the hot. And black is the ground. Well, in house electrical, black is your power, white is your neutral, and green is your ground. I don't really know how it works. But it is what it is. Oops. This is Rusty. He is I think about a 6-month-old golden doodle. A golden doodle. All he does is like to go lay in the mud. If you look at him, watch. He's covered in Mississippi red dirt. Luckily, he's the same color. All right, go play. Go. Well, and just like that, we got them all put in. And that was pretty easy. So I guess the next thing will be figure out exactly where we put the light at and get the rest of this buttoned up, get some walls up. Talk to y'all in a little bit.